welcome back to the Wealth Legacy Movement. It's a space where we share tips, strategies, and business startup resources to help you to start building your wealth legacy. We do this by sharing with you business startup ideas, side hustles, and high paying jobs, and even different ways to own real estate. I'm Sophia, a mindset and business coach and a realtor for the state of Georgia. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you one side hustle that you can start right now and you get paid up to $50 per hour. And no, you do not need money to start. So guess what? You have no excuse not to get started. So let's jump right in. I'm going to be going on the website, just go through some of the things with you, and then I'm going to drop the link in the chat where you can actually get started. So let's dive in. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel to help us to reach more people. You know, that's how the algorithm works. You have to engage with us, like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for YouTube to push our videos out to more people. So let's just now go to the website at rentafriend.com. That's rentafriend.com. So once you go on the home page, you're going to see exactly what it is. They're telling you that they have, Rent a Friend has friends from around the world available to hire. And they're just giving you some things about COVID-19. Once you go here, click search, you find what you want or whomever you want. And this is just some of the kind of activities that you can do with that friend who will pay you whatever it is that you negotiate with the person. Those are just some of the things. And as you can see there, they have appeared in so many of those networks, whether it's CNN, ABC, MSNBC, Fox News, so many of them. So it is something legitimate. It's nothing that you should, be afraid that it is scam or something. It is something legitimate. This is where you select whomever it is that you want, the type of person that you're looking for to provide companionship, whether it's to go out somewhere, whatever it is that you negotiate with the person. That's just how it works on this website. And they're just sharing with you, a little bit more information about the different people that you'll find on the site. And they're telling you now, as of April 26, that's the number of persons who are on the site. Now, what is Rent a Friend? And that's basically just telling you a little bit, like we've gone through earlier, about, they meet both in person and via Zoom, texting, PayPal, whichever medium you select and have negotiated with the person. That's what the person is going to be paying you for, right? And one very important thing to note is that this is not a dating site. It is something that you provide friendship to the person, platonic friendship to the person. It's nothing intimate or anything like that. So don't go with that mindset, but also protect yourself. Make sure that you're not getting yourself into any compromising situation or to endanger yourself. All right. So make sure you go through and read for yourself. Make sure that you check it out. Based on the fact that it has appeared on so many of these networks, you know that it is something legitimate, right? So that is one thing that I'm sure about. I've never used it, but there are so many persons, and as you go along, I'm going to show you, a couple of videos that persons have gone on these network, whether it's on CNN, Fox News, and they've spoken about this website. So again, just go through, make sure that you read as much as possible and dig in and do your research. They say a common request is that member may have asked for invitation for parties or wedding and they don't have anyone to go with them, some kind of social event, and they'll hire you to go with them, right? And again, this is something that you have to agree to before you go out or do any activities with the person. Okay? So again, read, go through everything and make sure that you're getting yourself into things that you're comfortable with. How much do the friends cost? It says most friends cost $10 per hour, but almost all of them are willing to negotiate or even waive their fee depending on the activity you're planning with them. And it's to be noted that most of them they get up to $50. And as you will see when you look on some of the videos, that is what they were saying. And in my research, that's some of the things that I found on the research that I did before I decided to do this video. All right, so it's very easy to get started. Click here to find a friend. Join now, see us on TV. Let's go to see us on TV to see what they're saying on these news station. Before we do that, if you're getting value, consider subscribing to our channel and like this video.
It is the Netflix of companionship, the Avis of acquaintances.
More than 250,000 people are available to rent on a service that's called rentafriend.com. David Martin shows you what $20 an hour could buy you.
Professional dancer Lucy Fuller leases herself. It's not what you think, though.
I haven't had any of the inappropriate offers, which is good because I think I probably would have gotten off the site pretty fast.
Now, you see, you can rent Lucy in a G-rated way by clicking her profile on rentafriend.com.
One woman had a business conference and she was in town and she had Saturday during the day off. So she asked me to go shopping with her.
Lucy's rate for that? $15 an hour.
Another woman didn't want to write her thank you notes for her wedding, so she was going to have me do them.
That would have been $25 an hour, but the hubby wisened up. Lucy's friend was asked
to stand in line to get the tickets, like to camp out. So she was there for like 14 hours. Yeah, she made a lot of money.
So, like this dance floor, Lucy's getting some action on the website. But newbie member Lena is still waiting for a customer.
And I can rent you?
Yes, you can rent me.
How much can I rent you for?
$20 an hour.
$20 an hour?
Yes.
What do I get for $20 an hour, Lena?
My companionship, we can do whatever it is that you might want to do. You know, go to a movie, go to like a theme park like this, or if you have a wedding to go to, you don't have a date, I can be your date for the wedding. I mean, everybody's working 2 or 3 jobs, going to school. I don't even have time to make friends, so that's basically why I joined this. I want to do fun stuff, but sometimes I don't have friends to do the things with. So I figure this is the best way to do it. It's like kind of like reminds me when I was in high school when I was babysitting.
And like Lucy, Lena is all about keeping the companionship platonic.
Basically, I don't want to go out with a creep. You know, it all depends on your perception when you first get to meet that person.
The website, which claims some friends are making $2,000 a week on it, lets members set restrictions on who might become a buddy.
I can say, I only want to be contacted by women, or I only want to be contacted by, you know, gay men, whoever makes you comfortable.
And whatever makes you comfortable.
You could hire somebody to come do your laundry because you just don't feel like doing it.
Lucy hopes someone hires her friendship for a visit to a senior care home. But in the meantime, she's flexible.
The poor boy who says he has a hot prom date and doesn't have a hot prom date, he can actually just get on there and find a hot older prom date to go with him. I would totally do that.
And Lucy's phone just started blowing up. In Orlando, David Martin, Fox 35 News.
All right, it is free to join Rent a Friend. All transactions are negotiated strictly between the member and the client.
As you can see, they have been featured on many of these news stations around the world, to include NBC, ABC, AOL, MSNBC, Fox News, The Today Show, like so many magazines, newspapers, and so it seems to be a legitimate way of earning something whilst helping out somebody else who might not have a friend to go out with. So that's basically it. So to join, you just click on the join button and get started, right? So drop in the comment if you're going to be signing up for this, if this is a side hustle that you're interested in. Let me know if you are going to sign up with them to earn some extra cash. I mean, these extra cash, they go a long way, especially in times like these where the bills, they continue to go up and your salary remains the same, right? So these side hustles, they're pretty good. They can definitely help you out, all right? So thank you so much for watching. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel to help us to spread our wings farther, faster. You know, that's how the algorithm works here on YouTube. You have to engage with us, like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for YouTube to push our videos out to more people. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon. Blessing, friends.